Hey there my peeps, Grammy T from Grammy T Knows. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited. I have a new tool for you. It's the Canva Magic Grab tool. I'm going to show you how quickly you can learn this tool and you'll be able to use it today. Let's go on and get started. So we'll begin by going to canva.com. This is a web-based software. And if you've already been there, it's going to populate on its own, and click enter. And this is your home page. And the image that I want to use is it's in my uploads. So I will go there, and here's the image here. And so this is the image. Look at these little guys. They just make me smile every time I see them. They're just so, well, the little girl, sorry baby girl. And his shirt, that really made me laugh. It says, "This is what cool looks like." So, but anyway, I don't want to get too distracted. So you would click on the image and edit photo will come up. And this is where Magic Grab is. First, I want to show you something because some people may think, well, why not just remove the background if you just need, to adjust them? Well, look at what happens. The background is gone. What if you wanted to use that background? And that's been the case sometimes where I'm thinking, I just need to move those people over a little bit. Now you can do that if you remove the background, but now you got to go find a new background because you've taken them out of that background. But watch what happens with Magic Grab. This is a whole new technology. So edit photo and come back to Magic Grab. I'm going to show you the difference. They have been separated out of the background. So you can move them around wherever you want to put them. Well, you're going to have to bring them to the bottom because of where they're cropped. But you can make this image a whole new image. You now have room to add verbiage if you want to. That's what's wonderful about this. And then the background, before when we had to remove someone out of a background, I used to have to think about doing this because I just needed to move the person, but not necessarily remove them from the background. And look at how clean it is. Look at the edges. You can't even tell they've been separated from the background. How cool is that? You can make them even larger if you wanted them bigger in this background, but you still want the background because it works really well with them. You just needed to move them, to enlarge them, or reduce their size, or move them over. That's what the Grab tool does. I'm going to show you in this next image how you can actually use this tool to help you in your workflow. Now I'm going to demonstrate how using this tool will help you create a visually appealing sales ad. I'm going to show you how you can use the Magic Grab tool along with other amazing tools in Canva to create an aesthetically pleasing touch point for your audience. Right now, the model is standing right in the middle of the page, not leaving much room for copy for the ad. Then you have some distractions in the background. Let's see what we can do to prepare this image for an upcoming sale. You can use these same steps to create your own. So we're going to begin by clicking on the image. You always make sure you click on the image first because that's going to give us edit photo. And we're going to click on Magic Grab. And I left it in real time so you could see how quickly it changes. You see how I'm moving her over already? But then once you move her over, look what happens in the background. That doesn't look so good. So now we're going to employ another one of the magic tools to rectify this situation. We're going to click on it and come right here to Magic Eraser. Now mind you, we're not showcasing Magic Eraser today, but we're going to use this tool to make this ad work. So then you're just going to paint over. We're going to come down to this piece right here. And then you just make sure you paint everything inside. And look, that's nice and clean. It doesn't look that great, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So then you just go here and click on this. And now this is where she looks on the image. So you don't really want your verbiage on this side because of this distraction. So we're going to pull her, make sure you highlight her and not the background. Once you've selected your subject, then you'll see the bounding box. And then you're just going to move her over to the side. And now with this on the side, that's not too distracting. That's not too bad. We can leave that vehicle there. Now we want the model facing the other direction, so we're going to come up to flip and then flip horizontal. So we're going to come over to the text. I mean, you can choose one from the side, or you can choose one and just start making your own. So we're going to use James and Kate, this particular font. We'll get rid of this, and we're going to type in fall clearance, and we're going to find a different font. I don't know if I'm a fan of that font. Let's try Anton. No, I don't know. We'll try Lato. We're going to change the alignment by coming right up here and clicking there. We want to copy and paste. So now that you see how you can actually bring in your verbiage, I'm just going to type in all the verbiage and then come back with you. Okay, so now we're going to do some things to make certain words stand out. So we're going to come here to the colors. And as you can see, when you come over to this side, you will see the photo colors that are actually in the image. And you can make it more cohesive by using the colors that are actually in the image. Select the text, click on the font up here, and then come here to make your color choice. And just continue with that process until you reach your desired goal. Now we want to make the copy and the model stand out more from the background. So we would do that by coming up to transparency and lower the opacity of your background image. So you see how that pops out from your background? Now let's go up to the filters, go up to edit, and come right here to the filters and choose the filter that will make it pop out even more. And I think I'm going to go with bronze. She and the copy pop out really well. We're going to go with this one. And that's your finished look. Now, of course, this was a sales ad, and it may not be what you would use for your business, but however, you can see that this is actually a tool you can use to reach your target audience. So here's your before and after. I hope this video has been beneficial to you, and if it has been, please go on and comment, like, share, subscribe, and let other small and new business owners know that Grammy T brings new tips and tricks that you can use in your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.